I am Dr. Jessie John, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are discussing anatomy of vermiform appendix. Vermiform appendix is a narrow worm-like diverticulum which arises from the posterior medial wall of the cecum, about 2 cm below the ileocecal junction. Dimension: it is has a length from 2 to 20 centimeter and average width is about 5 millimeter. The diameter of lumen varies with age. Parts: the appendix presents three parts: base, body, and tip. Base is attached to the posterior medial wall of the cecum, about 2 centimeter below the ileocecal junction. All the three tenai of cecum coverage to the base of the appendix. This anatomical fact serves as guide to the surgeon to search for appendix during appendectomy. Body is a narrow tubular part between the base and the tip, and tip is the least vascular distal blind and it may be directed in various conditions. Surface anatomy of the appendix is marked on the surface by a 0.2 centimeter below the intersection between the transtuber, transtubercular plane and the right midclavicular line. Position: the appendix usually lie in the right iliac fossa. The base of appendix is fixed, but the remaining part may occupy any of the following positions, which are often indicated with an hour hand of the clock. Paracolic positions, and we can say 11 o'clock positions, and retrocolic positions where 12 o'clock position, and the splenic positions where we can say second 2 o'clock positions, and promontoric positions, pelvic positions, medial positions, all these positions, and where appendix varies at different positions. Arterial supply: the appendix is supplied by a single appendicular artery, that is the branch of inferior division of ileocolic artery, and the appendicular artery has and artery. When the mesoappendix is short, the appendicular artery rests directly on the appendicular wall near the tip of the appendix. In the appendicitis, this part of the artery is affected and thrombosed, leading to gangrene, and there will be change in the tip, which there may uh, pa- occur perforation. Venous drainage: the vein corresponds to the artery and drains into the superior mesenteric vein, which in turn drains into the portal vein. Lymphatic drainage: the lymph vessels of the appendix drain into the ileocolic lymph nodes directly or through appendicular nodes in the mesoappendix. Nerve supply: there is the nerve supply from the sympathetic nerve supply and parasympathetic nerve supply. And sympathetic nerve supply is derived from the T10T from the spinal segment, and parasympathetic derived from the both vagus nerve. And this is your assignment, and here you have to done describe anatomy of vermiform appendix. If you have any query, please write down and I will resolve very soon. Thank